Hello students, welcome to Vaishnavi Eminent School, Badwani. I will teach you accountancy and my name is Jagdish Mukherjee. So we have to start. We have discussed last year about bookkeeping. These two words is very important for commerce student. Firstly, what is bookkeeping? Bookkeeping means books kept for recording the business transactions. Bookkeeping means books kept for recording the business transaction. Now, accountancy. What is accountancy? Accountancy refers rules for preparing and maintaining the account. Accountancy refers rules for preparing and maintenance the account. Any legal enterprises with setup with earning profit is called business. Any legal enterprises with a setup view to earning profit is called business. Business may be two types. Business may be two types: trading concern and non-trading concern. Trading concern are those concern whose primary object is to earn profit, like 1, 2 ka 4. And non-trading concern, those organizations whose primary object is not make to profit. ट्रेडिंग कंसर्न हम 11th में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. हमारा 12th का सिलेबस नॉन ट्रेडिंग कंसर्न से स्टार्ट होता है. ये बेसिक इंफॉर्मेशन है. अब हम 12th के फर्स्ट चैप्टर में आते हैं. लिसन बी केयरफुली. यू हैव टू परचेज द बुक ऑफ अकाउंटेंसी GPH publication for class 12th accountancy book by GPH publication. Our first chapter is financial statement of not for profit organization. आपके 12th के कोर्स का फर्स्ट चैप्टर रहेगा financial statement of not for profit organizations. What is not for profit organization? Firstly, we will discuss what is NPO, not for profit organizations. Not for profit organizations are those organizations whose primary object is to render service to society and recreation of their member and safeguard to their interest but not make to profit. What is not profit organization or not for profit organization? Not for profit organizations are those organizations whose primary object is to render service to the society and to safeguard their interest but not make to profit. Non-for-profit organizations are those organizations whose primary object is to render service to the society and safeguard to their interest but not make to profit. For example, school, colleges, libraries, hospitals, religious institutions, sports clubs, entertainment clubs, these are not for profit organizations. Which system of accounting is adopted by not-for-profit organizations? Not-for-profit organizations adopted the cash system of accounting. Under this system, cash book is most important book in which all cash transactions are recorded chronologically. Under this system, at the end of accounting year, following accounts are prepared. Number 1, receipts and payment account. Number 2, income and expenditure account. And number 3, balance sheet. These are also known financial statements. Financial statements are prepared in the end of accounting year to find out their financial position. Today's our topic is receipts and payment account. What is receipts and payment account? Receipts and payment account is just like cash book. All cash receipts are recorded in this account debit side, and all cash payments are recorded in this account credit side, including cash or bank balances. Adjustments are not taken into consideration for preparing the receipts and payment account. How to prepare receipts and payment account? How to prepare receipts and payment account? Receipts and payment account is prepared just like cash book. All cash receipts are recorded in debit side. For example, cash balance, subscription receipt, donation receipt, life membership fees receipt, sale of old newspapers, government grant, sale of drama tickets, etc. And all cash payments are recorded in credit side. Debit side receipts are recorded and credit side payments are recorded. Payments means salary paid, wages paid, rent paid, purchase of sports material, purchase of building, purchase of furniture, bank deposits, investments, etc. Difference of debit and credit side is known as cash balance or bank balance. What is income and expenditure account? Income and expenditure account is just like profit and loss account. It is prepared at the end of accounting year to find out the net surplus or deficit during the accounting year. In the debit side of this account, all revenue expenses are recorded, and credit side of this account, all revenue receipts are recorded. Capital receipts and capital payments are not recorded in income and expenditure account. If credit side exceeds than debit side, the difference is called surplus, and debit side exceeds than credit side, then difference will be called deficit during the accounting year. What is revenue expenses? What is revenue expenses and revenue receipts? Every expenses and receipts, those are related to only current year. Every expenses or receipts, those are related to only current year, is called revenue. Revenue means related during the 1 year. Distinguish between receipts and payment account and income and expenditure account. Firstly, draw 3 columns for first basis, second receipts and payment account, and third income and expenditure account. First basis, nature of account. Receipts and payment account is a real account. Income and expenditure account is a nominal account. Second, debit side. Debit side of receipts and payment account is recorded cash receipts. But debit side of income and expenditure account is recorded expenses. Now, next, credit side. Credit side of receipts and payment account is recorded payments. But in case of income and expenditure account, credit side recorded the incomes. Adjustment. Adjustment are not taken for preparation the receipts and payment account. In case of income and expenditure account, adjustment are to be taken. Adjustment means transactions which are not recorded in books. For example, outstanding expenses, accrued income, depreciation, etc. Now, capital and revenue items. In case of receipts and payment account, both items means capital and revenue items are included. But in case of income and expenditure account, only revenue items are to be taken. Questions related to these topics we will send to you by messages, and please listen be carefully. You have to compulsory prepare the notes on these messages. Clear?